Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and I kind of apologize. Just should have added this in one of the other videos because it's not as neat. When you need to set your graphic drawing, your rectangles, your circles, your ellipses, and you want them always to be a hairline, that's very easily done. You just don't have anything clicked, and you click on here, and it brings out this dialog, and then you can change it to hairline and red, and you're done. But in object style, and I'm just going to go over this because this is, could be a problem. I've had some problems with people, or people have had some problems. And I think I've even had a couple of times where somebody sends me a file and their ellipses are filled in. We'll just draw one with yellow and so you can see that this one's clear because it's shining right through. We're going right through, but I've had some people that always draw and they had white. Well, you can go up to graphic and go down to pen or fill color and go to pen, and there's our red hairline. So you could change that if you wanted to change it. You could make it a dotted line, which you could in this other aspect, but you could change the fill right here to none, and just in case you did have a fill, you wouldn't want a fill. But when I was looking at this, I realized you could also do this. You could also have it have a elliptical shape, fountain fill, and you would maybe never want this, but every time you draw a circle, you could have that. So if you were doing some 3D work, and then of course you would want to take away the red outline, and you can very easily just change that back by clicking the X and getting it back, and you can always go to revert back to a new document. But so if you ever have a problem with something in your hairline, like you go here and you go, there's really no fill area. I've had that problem before. And so there's the way you could do no fill whatsoever is in the object style under graphic. And I think this is going to finish this on this, and they're just showing you the callouts, which I don't think anybody uses, but there's a lot that can be done with artistic or object styles. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.